Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria James. How are you today? Going on a little Ferrons Apple Love from Elise Brooklyn. And I'm just gonna get my skincare done. I'm gonna do my hair, and I just thought I would just have y'all with me to get ready, you know. I'm not trying to do anything big. It's 2 o'clock. I'm picking up the baby at 3:30 from her bus stop. But I wanted to just put on like a fresh little face. Like, no makeup is she or isn't she, yada yada yada. I am putting on the Rose de May eye lift. Shantakai is gearing up to launch a body cream, a Rose de May body cream. And I was like, okay. You know, I'm using a couple Rose de May products as I normally do. I mean, Rose de May is very, like a very healing line from their skincare lines. And like, it's about time. I know that sounds weird, but it's about time they came out with Rose de May body cream. Anyway, I'm putting on Westman Atelier's Skin Activator as my primer today. It's going to act as a serum, actually, because it's going to go under my moisturizer, but I like it as skincare as well as a primer. Sort of serum-like texture, and gets me together. I'm almost out. Actually due for a refill. And then I was going to do the vitamin enriched face base, but since I'm going in with the HYDRA Glow foundation from Makeup Forever, I'm just going to use a little bit of Rose de May. It absorbs really quickly. It's nice and lightweight. I'm going to let that marinate while I do my hair. I have my leave-in conditioner, edge control, and a styler in this curl cream. Let me tell you something. I don't know what's going on over there with Aveda. I don't know when y'all are planning to launch this, but I do not see this on their website. And this is really good. Like, it's really good. The Be Curly Advanced Coil Definer Gel. Stronghold fights frizz. It's for tight curls and coils. And they do have a Be Curly line, you know. But they don't have this particular item on there. And I'm like, did they just say never mind? Or, you know, maybe I'm just a little too early with it. I don't know. I'm just going to wet my hair a little. Define my curls with my leave-in conditioner for hydration. And a little edge control on these edges just to kind of, you know, make them cute. Or whatever. This Miss Jessie's curl, this leave-in conditioner is very good. And I will be buying it again. I'm almost out. Now I was going to go ahead and wear a headband today. I wonder if I'm still going to do that. I'm still debating. One thing without a doubt that I need is a doggone trim. I need a trim. Nice healthy dollop of that Be Curly Coil Definer. And I'm going to focus it on the ends, of course, because I'm going to wear, I'm anticipating wearing the headband. So I'm just going to focus on what will be showing the curls. And that is my little ends here. This is currently my favorite gel, so I do hope that they are planning to actually release this product so that I can, you know, share it with y'all and not be the only one around here using it. We're back. I can't find the headband, so I just opted for this, which is just a little bit of edge control on the edges and a little bit of a defined part, and my curls are defined from the gel. I'm going to put a little bit of a mattifying primer on, just, you know, trying to learn from my last application that this glowy product is a bit glowy for me. Like, it's a little too glowy for my T-zone. So I'm going to use a little bit of my Gucci mattifying primer in my T-zone. Everything, like skincare wise, has had a chance to really soak in while I was looking for the headbands and stuff, so we're good to go. So we're back at it again with this cutie. I'm gonna start with one pump today and gauge where I want to put it after that, because I don't think it should take 3 pumps for the coverage that I usually go for. The match is so good that I actually don't need to put it on my nose. So that was one pump, and then I'm going to use another pump as my like added coverage. That's so pretty. That's so pretty. And as I mentioned to y'all in my Sephora video, my Sephora haul, I'm going to probably mix the two neutral undertones in order to get what I'm after. So I'm going to go do Mango Drop and then this deeper shade right here. The Sunny Citafal. There we go. Sunny Citafal and Mango Drop. Since they're both neutral, I'm going to mix them together for the perfect concealer shade for me. So I'm going to be very generous with the lighter one because I do want to brighten. And then just a little scoop of that deeper shade. And let's see what that gives me. This has like a almost gel-like texture. Whatever I just mixed together is the perfect, the perfect mix. I hope they have a shade in between that is neutral like this because I will happily pick it up. And I love the texture. It's very sort of like the gel-like feeling makes it like cling to your skin. I like this. Oh, how nice. It's so cushiony. And it's not settling in. Let me show you what that looks like. When I go to squint, it's not in my lines. It's beautiful. We're going to use the doll to powder. Even the texture around my mouth gets better. This is such... I don't have any... too much product on my nose, but I am going to just dab it. And then my bestie for the rest of my face. I'm going to put her on today. I thought about the Say Radiant Powder, but the Vital Skin Press Powder does something very similar. So I'll be using that instead. If for no other reason than it's just right in front of me, honey. And it's less messy. It's the doll. I love her, what can I say? I was supposed to put that in my crease. Look how fast I forgot to do it. Okay. Let me do it. Alright, let's throw on a brow. Very, very easy. Gucci brow pencil. Patrick Ta brow gel. I think I'm going to actually use the Merit brow gel just for a little added tint. What are we doing for the lip? I don't know. I thought I wanted a bold red lip. I think I might still want that, but I honestly am a little on the fence about it. I'm just gonna put on my mascara while I think about it. I'm just rotating my mascaras, so I'm gonna jump in with Smashbox today. Super fan. Off camera, after I finished my mascara, I just put on a little bit of Velvet Decade liner from Lisa Eldridge, and now I'm gonna be using the Queen Musea lipstick in HYDRA and show you why she's that girl. That warm beauty. This is a stunning color. Man, listen. There's quite a few colors to choose from on Vikeejeah's website. This one, of the two that I've tried, is my favorite. And it's a departure from your, you know, nude lip or your red that you would consider like your signature. I feel like this one is a departure from that, but it's still an everyday wearable lip color. So HYDRA is all right with moi. And that is it. I'm not gonna put on no blush. I'm not gonna put on no highlighter, nothing like that, because as you can see, I'm already glowing. I'm already glowing from the glowing foundation. And so I'm gonna go ahead and, ooh, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in my purse. I don't think I need the liner. I'm just gonna pop the lipstick in my purse because it's fine without the liner too, but you know, she cute or whatever. She looking good or whatever. And we're ready for the day. Thank you very much for watching this very quick get ready with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comments below any products that stood out to you that you are looking to purchase. Everything is linked for you in the description box. I always come through for you on that one with my links. And if you are a creator watching this video and are interested in a platform where you can not only use affiliate links for the products that you are promoting, but also collaborate with brands like Vikeejeah, then check out the Join Shop My link in my description box. And with that, babes, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Mwah. Bye.